What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean P again, back with another video. I'd like to wish y'all a happy Monday today, and welcome back to my channel, Sean Pennington Reviews. And I'd like to thank y'all for helping me hit 40 subscribers. Like I said, when I first started doing YouTube, I didn't really envision really getting any subscribers. I was just going to document my journey and just do product reviews. But to all my subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you're watching this video, thank you for watching this video. And this is just pretty much just an update video on my progress. I'm in my 9th week of my year. It's coming in kind of nice, I might add. And I'm kind of doing this video to talk about the story behind the beard, why I decided to grow a beard. Now, a year ago, it's not really much to say about the beard. I just, one day, how it happened was I woke up late for work, and I was about to shave, and I normally don't use a razor. I use a Endless outliner and a wall like shaver to shave my beard. And I was about to do that one day, and I said, you know what, I'm running late, screw it. And I just chunked the razor away, and I was letting it grow. And then, you know, a couple of days later, it was coming in, my skin was itching and all that stuff, and I was about to shave it, and I was like, you know, why not? Why don't I just let it grow and see how long I can actually grow it? So I decided to let it grow out and see how it looked. I never really envisioned like really kind of growing a beard. It's not something I really planned. It's just something I just did, and I just grew it just to see how long I can go without shaving. And it kind of created a monster in a way, because now I'm like hooked on these videos and trying to learn how to grow a beard. It's turned into a lifestyle for me. Hell, even my fiance, she don't even call me by my first name no more. She calls me Beard now. So it's kind of been an interesting journey for me in terms of like growing the beard out. Like I said, I didn't really plan it. It just happened that way. And I don't regret it one bit. I wish I would have did it probably years ago, but I just never really had the patience to do it, because I would let it grow, and it would just like, it would grow out, and it would just be like, it would kind of like bother me, because I guess not clean shaven. And I eventually just said screw it, and I just let it grow out, and look what we have now. Like, it just done created like a whole new lifestyle for me, and a new hobby in a way, because now I do these product reviews and do these videos. It's just really more of a hobby for me. I don't really look to get nothing out of this. I just do it because it's fun for me. And yeah, like I said, when I started growing my beard, I just grew it out. I heard all the trash talk, all the stuff about why are you growing it out? You don't look right with it. It just don't suit you. And then the more trash people talk to me, the more I wanted to grow it out. I just heard it all. And then people who didn't never really see me with a beard saw it and was like, well, why are you growing it? It was like, I just grew it out because it's just something that I wanted to do. And like I said, I didn't plan it. I didn't look at a magazine and said to myself, oh, you know, this is what I want to do. Oh, I see that beard, I'm gonna grow my beard just like that. It just happened that way. And I don't regret it at all. Like, it done gave me like a new perspective on life, and a new perspective on certain aspects, like how to deal with negativity, how to deal with people that, you know, aren't really in your corner. And yeah, like my beard kind of has like meaning to me. It means patience, because it takes time to grow a beard. And me, if anybody knows me, and you know, personally, like before I grew the beard, I was very impatient. I'm like a very impatient person, especially when I'm driving and stuff. And it's just one of them things where I just decided to do it, and it just happened that way. And like I said, this has been an interesting journey for me. I've met a lot of cool people along this journey, especially on YouTube. I've met a lot of just like awesome people. Like I said, I don't regret starting this YouTube stuff, and it is just awesome to me. I've met a lot of cool people, a lot of beardsmen, a lot of companies, you know, and it's just been an awesome journey for me. But I've been growing my beard on and off for a year, and yeah, it's been an awesome journey. I don't regret it at all. Like I said, it's just like my beard has meaning to me. Like it means patience. It means like dealing with adversity, negativity. Because like I heard it all, man. Like I heard just shave it off. Why are you growing it? Get rid of it. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it regardless of what anybody tells me. And if you don't like it, oh well. I don't do it for you. I do it for me. And I know I've said this in videos before, but that's what my beard has meaning to me. That's the reason why if somebody tells me to shave it, it just encourages me more to grow it out. Because like, why are you so concerned about what I'm doing? And that's what a lot of people do. They concern themselves with other people's lives and what they're doing instead of worrying about their own. And if you worry about your own life before you worry about somebody else's, then I think you'd be better off. But like I said, my beard has a lot of meaning to me. I'm glad I grew it out. I'm glad I did this. It's just kind of giving me a whole perspective on things, different perspective on life in general. So, like I said, I'm gonna continue to grow this beard out. This probably would never go away. Even if I have to trim it down to like a 1, I'm never getting rid of this beard, because that's what I did before. I shaved it off because I was getting split ends. And you know what make it so bad was when I shaved it off, it wasn't because somebody was telling me to. It's because I got in my own head. And this might hit home to some people, but you can be your own worst enemy in a way, because people might talk trash to you and stuff, but if you listen to it and then believe it, then it's like you kind of defeat it. So it's like my beard has a lot of meaning to me, and like I said, I don't regret it. And I kind of wanted to share that story with y'all about why I grew my beard out. It was just one of them things where, like I said, I didn't plan it. I just did it, and I just fell in love with it, and I don't regret it. And hopefully this might encourage somebody to like try to grow their beard out and just do what they want to do. And with that, I hope y'all have a good rest of the Monday. You have to excuse my voice. Kind of getting over a cold right now. It's been raining down here the last couple of days, and I kind of feel under the weather, so forgive me for my voice. But with that, I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Hope y'all have an awesome week. I got a product review coming up on the Grandpa Pine Tar Soap. I'll probably do that one tomorrow. And with that, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this video, and I'm out.